In Washington state, Mount St. Helens stands tall, a seemingly peaceful giant. Its slopes, once serene, hide a powerful secret. This mountain is a volcano, a gateway to Earth's fiery core. After years of silence, the giant stirs again. The ground trembles with small earthquakes, signs of movement deep underground. Magma rises, creating pressure and swelling the ground. Scientists watch every change, knowing these whispers could signal something bigger. Mount St. Helens has a history of sudden violence. In 1980, it roared with explosive force, shocking the world. That eruption taught us the hidden dangers of beautiful places. Today we must pay attention to the whispers that could become tomorrow's roar. We watch and wait, respecting the mountain's power. Mount St. Helens tells a story of our relationship with nature. It's a tale of respect, understanding, and survival. As we stand here today, we ask, is the giant awakening? Are we ready? Before 1980, Mount St. Helens was a perfect cone, a serene part of the landscape. But in March 1980, peace was shattered. Small earthquakes and steam signaled the giant's awakening. A bulge grew on its north side, a sign of immense pressure. Scientists warned people to stay away, but no one knew when it would erupt. On May 18, 1980, a strong earthquake triggered the largest landslide in history. The pressure was released, causing a massive sideways blast. Hot gas, ash, and rock flattened everything in its path. The eruption lasted 9 hours, turning day into night. Ash covered towns and lahars destroyed infrastructure. When it ended, the mountain was transformed. The top 1,300 feet were gone, replaced by a huge crater. The 1980 eruption left a moon-like landscape. Green forests became a grey desert of ash and rock. Spirit Lake was filled with debris, its water dark and lifeless. 57 people lost their lives, and the economic impact was enormous. The eruption was a national disaster, showing our vulnerability to nature. The world struggled to understand the event. Scientists flocked to study the area, learning about volcanic processes. The eruption changed the land and the people. Survivors learned to respect the mountain's power. Communities rebuilt, living with the memory of 1980. In 2025, Mount St. Helens is healing but not asleep. Scientists notice increased activity with frequent seismic swarms. These tiny tremors signal magma movement deep underground. The magma chamber is slowly refilling, like a tank being filled. Ground swelling indicates pressure building beneath the surface. This doesn't mean an eruption is imminent. Recharging can take years. The mountain's current activity is a reminder of its dynamic nature. We must remain vigilant as the quiet giant gathers strength. Scientists use advanced tools to monitor Mount St. Helens. Seismometers detect ground shaking, revealing magma movement. GPS stations measure ground swelling, indicating pressure buildup. Gas sensors analyze volcanic gases, providing eruption clues. All data is sent to the observatory in real time. This constant monitoring helps provide early warnings, though exact predictions remain elusive. A future eruption is unlikely to match 1980's scale. Smaller eruptions act as safety valves, releasing pressure. A new lava dome could grow, posing localized dangers. Larger eruptions remain possible, with devastating consequences. Lahars threaten downstream communities, highlighting the need for preparedness. The Pacific Northwest is prepared for future eruptions. Emergency plans involve scientists, managers, and the public. Communication is key, with alert levels indicating volcano status. Drills and evacuation routes ensure readiness. Public education fosters a resilient community ready to act. After 1980, the area around Mount St. Helens was a wasteland, but nature's resilience is remarkable. Lupines stabilized soil, paving the way for other species. Animals returned, each playing a role in recovery. Spirit Lake, once lifeless, healed itself over time. The area became a national volcanic monument, a natural laboratory. The recovery story teaches us about nature's strength and adaptability. Mount St. Helens teaches us about Earth's hidden power. Despite our knowledge, volcanoes remain unpredictable. We must be prepared, investing in science and education. The quiet giant reminds us of the ever-present threat. As we gaze at the mountain, we respect its power and our place in Earth's history. A new chapter is being written deep within, waiting to be revealed.